हेलो गाइस, चलो तो हमारा टॉपिक चल रहा है प्रोबेबिलिटी। एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी में हमें आज देखना है हाउ टू फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एनी इवेंट। ओके, सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला टू कैलकुलेट द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एनी इवेंट। सो लेट अस कंसीडर ए बी एनी इवेंट। ओके, ए एक कौन सी भी इवेंट है। सो द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ दैट इवेंट इज डिनोटेड बाय P ऑफ ए, एंड P ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ सैंपल पॉइंट इन इवेंट ए वाले इवेंट में जितने भी सैंपल पॉइंट है उसका जो नंबर आएगा वो ऊपर आएगा, डिवाइडेड बाय अपॉन नंबर ऑफ सैंपल पॉइंट्स इन सैंपल स्पेस, नंबर ऑफ सैंपल पॉइंट इन सैंपल स्पेस। सो विच इज डिनोटेड बाय P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. N of A means number of sample point in event A, and N of S means number of sample point in the sample space. Okay, so first of all there is one example. Example number first is find the probability of the following when one coin is tossed. ठीक है, आपको probability find करना है जबकि हम एक coin को toss कर लेते तो हमें क्या मिलता है, either getting head or tail. Okay, so tossing a coin is the random experiment. Is the random experiment. So write down here, when one coin is tossed, then the sample space S is equal to, either we getting head or tail, means N of S is equal to, therefore N of S is equal to 2. How many possible outcomes are there? Only two possible outcomes are there. That's why N of S is equal to 2. Now first event is getting head on upper face. Okay, so the first, let A be the event of getting head. आपके पास इवेंट नहीं, आपको एज्यूम करना है कि एक इवेंट है हेड मिलने वाली। सो ए में क्या आएगा, दैट देयरफॉर ए इज इक्वल टू, ए में ओनली हेड आएगा, therefore N of A is equal to, how many possible outcomes are there? Only one possible outcome. So write down N of A is equal to only 1. Now probability of event A is equal to, probability of any event is calculated by N of A upon N of S. So write down the formula first. P of A is equal to N of A upon N of S. So the value of N of A is nothing but 1 upon N of S is equal to 2. So the probability of event is 1 upon 2. Probability of that event is 1 upon 2. Next one, B be the event, second event. Let us assume that let B be the event of getting, so B कौन सी इवेंट है, of getting tail मिलने की B एक इवेंट है, therefore B is equal to, B में only possible outcomes कौन सा आएगा, T, and therefore N of B is equal to only 1. And therefore now the probability of event B is calculated by P of B. ठीक है, यहाँ पे इवेंट A था, that's why P of A, यहाँ पे इवेंट B है, that's why P of B. P of B is equal to number of sample point in that event upon number of sample point in sample space. Okay, this is the formula to calculate the probability of event B. Okay, so write down the values. Therefore P of B is equal to what? Therefore we get P of B is equal to, therefore P of B is equal to N of B is nothing but 1 upon 2. N of S is equal to 2. So the probability of that B event is 1 upon 2. Okay, if we add the probability of event A and probability of event B, means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, so we will get 1. Okay, the sum of all possible events, or sum of all the event probability is equal to 1, always is equal to 1. ठीक है, तो इस टाइप आपको ये वाला क्वेश्चन करना था, एग्जांपल नंबर फर्स्ट। नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे यहाँ पे जो हमारा एक्सरसाइज 5.4 का एक क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। चलो तो हमारा क्वेश्चन देखना है हमें। नेक्स्ट वन इज एक्सरसाइज प्रैक्टिस सेट 5.4। प्रैक्टिस सेट 5.4। Let's question number one is if two coins are tossed. Question number one, if two coins are tossed, two coins are tossed, अगर मैंने दो coins toss किए तो find the probability of following events. Find the probability. Find the probability of the following events. Of the following events. So first event is getting at least one head. Getting at least one head. कम से कम एक हेड मिलने की पॉसिबिलिटी. Getting no head. Second one is getting no head. Okay. Second event is getting no head. So first of all, if we toss two coins, then we will get. So first, if we toss two coins, then the sample space S is equal to, एक तो आएगा हेड हेड, नहीं तो HT, नहीं तो TH, नहीं तो TT. इन चारों में से कोई तो पॉसिबल आउटकम आएगा. Therefore, n of s is equal to how many possible outcomes are there? 4 possible outcomes. So write down n of s is equal to 4. Now the first event, getting at least one head. कम से कम एक हेड मिलने की. ज्यादा से ज्यादा दो हेड भी हो सकते हैं, बट कम से कम एक होना ही चाहिए. ठीक है, कम से कम एक, यहाँ पे भी, यहाँ पे भी दो हो गए तो भी चलेगा, मीन्स ये भी आएगा. ठीक है. सो हाउ मेनी पॉसिबल आउटकम्स फॉर इवेंट नंबर 1 2 3 पॉसिबल आउटकम्स आर देयर. And in second, getting no head. No head means there is no head. So यहाँ पे head है, यहाँ पे head है, यहाँ पे head है, यहाँ पे head नहीं है. So only one element आएगा यहाँ पे. ठीक है. So first of all, right now let A be the event of getting. So ऐसे लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे. Let A be the event of getting. Let A be the event of getting at least one head. Of getting at least one head. कम से कम एक हेड मिलने की प्रोबेबिलिटी. ज्यादा से ज्यादा, एटलीस्ट मीन्स कम से कम, ज्यादा से ज्यादा दो भी हो सकते हैं. Therefore A is equal to, so A में कौन कौन सा आएगा? एटलीस्ट वन हेड. ज्यादा से ज्यादा दो भी हो सकते हैं. So HH is also there, HT is also there, TH is also there. Therefore n of A is equal to how many outcomes are there? 3 outcomes are there. 3 possible outcomes. Okay. Now probability of A. Now P of A is equal to, probability can be calculated as n of A upon n of S. N of A upon n of S. So the value of n of A. So the value of n of A is, which is equal to n of A is nothing but 3. So 3 upon n of S is equal to, n of S is equal to 4. N of S is equal to 4. That's why the probability of event A is 3/4. Probability of event A is 3/4. Okay. Second event is getting no heads. Okay. Second event is let B be the event. B be the event of getting no heads. Of getting no head. हेड मिलने की प्रोबेबिलिटी, नो हेड मिलने की प्रोबेबिलिटी. Therefore B is equal to, हेड कौन से आउटकम में नहीं? यहाँ पे हेड है, यहाँ पे हेड है, यहाँ पे हेड है, हेड यहाँ पे नहीं. So TT is the possible outcome. Therefore n of B is equal to, only one outcome is there. Only one outcome is there. That's why n of B is equal to 1. And the probability of B can be calculated as, now probability of B can be calculated as, and n of Q of B is equal to n of B upon n of S. N of B upon n of S. So n of B is equal to 1 and n of S is equal to 4. So 1 upon 4. Okay. So Q of B is equal to 1 upon 4. अगर आप P of A plus P of B करोगे, so 3/4 plus 1/4 is nothing but also 1. So probability का सम कितना आएगा? 1 ही आएगा, ठीक है। So probability का सम हमेशा कितना आएगा? 1. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम यहाँ पे सॉल्व करेंगे। 5.4 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 मैंने सॉल्व करके दिया आपको, सेकेंड आप खुद करके देखना, थर्ड आप खुद करके देखना है, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में आपको सॉल्व करके देते हैं यहाँ पे। सो द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज, सो व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4? A 2-digit number is formed with digits. A 2-digit number, 2-digit numbers is formed with the digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. Repetition allowed नहीं है, without repetition. So what is the probability that the number form is? What is the probability of first one, an odd number? Number form will be odd number, and second one is a multiple of 5. A multiple of 5. ठीक है। सो राइट डाउन हियर 2-digit नंबर फॉर्म करना है, रिपीटेशन करना नहीं, और नंबर कौन से डिजिट्स 2, 3, 5, 7, 9। सो एक बार हम यहाँ पे s लिखेंगे, सैंपल स्पेस s इज इक्वल टू 2 से चालू करो। 2 से कितने कॉम्बिनेशन है? 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2, 9। सो राइट डाउन 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2, 9। 2 का काम हो चुका है। नेक्स्ट वन इज 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 7, 3, 9। 3, 2, 3, 5, then 3, 7, then 3, 9। रिपीटेशन करना नहीं, मीन्स 3, 3 नहीं लिखना है। 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5 नहीं लिखना। 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5 नहीं लिखना। 5, 7, 5, 9। ओके। 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 5। 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 5। 7, 7 नहीं लिखना। 7, 9। 9, 2, 9, 3, 9, 5। 9, 2, 9, 3, 9, 5 and 9, 7. These are the possible outcomes. Okay, these are the possible outcomes. So how many possible outcomes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So n of s is equal to 20 possible outcomes are there. So write down here only n of s is equal to 20. Therefore n of s is equal to 20. Next one is, let the event A is getting an odd number. Okay, first one, let event A is getting an odd number. So A is equal to, what are the odd numbers? First one, 23 is odd, 27 is odd. So write down 23, 25, then 27. Next one is 29. 32 is not odd. 35, 37, 39. 35, 37, 39. Then 52 is not odd. 53, 57, 59. Then next one is 73, 75, 79. 73, 75, 79. Then next one is 92 is odd, even. 93, 95. 93, 95 and 97. All these are odd numbers. So how many odd numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So n of A is equal to 16. Possible outcomes are 16. Therefore Q of A is equal to, probability of event A is equal to n of A upon n of S. N of A upon n of S. This is the formula to calculate the probability of A. Therefore Q of A is equal to, so the value of n of A is equal to 16 and n of S is equal to 20. So 16 by 20 means 4, 4 the 4 5. So 4 by 5 is the final answer. Therefore Q of A is equal to 4 by 5. let the event B is getting a number in the multiple of 5. So the event B is, let B be the event of getting a number in the multiple of 5, so 5 के मल्टीपल में कौन कौन से नंबर है? सो राइट डाउन B इज इक्वल टू 25 first, then next one is 35 second, then next one is directly 75, then next and 95. These are the 4 possible outcomes. Therefore n of B is equal to 4. Now we are going to calculate the probability of event B. So the probability of event B is calculated by Q of B is equal to n of B upon n of S. Okay, so we know the value of n of B, that is 4, and n of S is equal to 20. Okay, n of S is equal to 20. So 4 1s are 4 5s are. So we will get 1 upon 5. Therefore P of B is equal to 1 upon 5. अगर आप इन दोनों का सम करोगे तो आएगा आंसर 1. तो इस टाइप आपको ये वाला क्वेश्चन करना था, बहुत इजी था. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझ में आया होगा. ओके, चलो तो फ्रेंड्स, बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी.